Hey guys, it is day 4 in Tokyo. It's Sunday. We're actually going to head over to Abit Autobacs, and then we're going to go to the NISMO Omori Factory on our way out of town, since it's kind of like close to the east coast of the city, or the country, and then you kind of slide down. So we're going to head towards Mount Fuji, and today we're going to go to the Fuji Speedway. And hopefully we can get there early enough that there's still a race going on at the Speedway, which should be pretty awesome. So I'm pretty excited to go check out those stores today. I'm going to try to pick up some parts for my S15. I don't really know what they're going to have in stock at the NISMO Omori Factory, and I really don't know what I want to buy, because it's like I can only ship back or bring so much weight with me on the plane. But I might try to get motor mounts if it makes sense price-wise. Maybe not, otherwise maybe some lug nuts would be cool. I don't know. We'll take a look, but stay tuned for some more footage of those places. Okay, we just made it to A PIT. It was a little confusing because I had no idea what the man at the ticket booth,
we still don't know what he said.
Parking ticket booth, was saying to me. So anyways, we got a ticket, we parked. I don't know where we have to redeem this ticket, but I guess we'll figure that out. There is arrows to get out of here, so that's pretty cool. But we're gonna go inside and check out the store. Hopefully we don't crash anywhere.
Please don't say that.
On the way out of here. All right. Speaking your language, it's a Starbucks.
There's a Starbucks here.
Yep.
I'm sold.
Sold. There's already so much, like, little car stuff.
Oh,
What is it? A collapsible box? Oh yeah.
great.
That's kind of cool. Honda stuff, yes. Every Honda t-shirt you could ever imagine. The best drink is beer. Brand created by drunks, for drunks. This is overwhelming. There's so much. Lots of books and stuff. Kind of cool. Picked up some for friends, but it's just like never ending. Tools. This place is huge. Road flares. Can I actually buy these and bring them back? No? Damn it. Excuse me, sir, you have explosives in your bag? Holy shit. TRD stuff. You can just get TRD'd out of your mind. Oh my god, HREs. Those wheels above you, hun? Those are like, a lot. Should I get this keychain instead of the other one? That's so cool. People can see what their cars are being worked on. Crazy. Here's our hot whip. I'm the only person not backed into a spot. I'm such an American. Oh my god, we made it. What an adventure.
I don't like it.
We tried to go in the exit and it was bad, but we made it. We got here. so cool. And there's a whole shop back there, I believe, too.
I've seen it.
Yeah. Right. These logos are usually sought after. Old logo. People like the old logo stuff. I actually like this one. It's kind of cool. So this is mostly GTR parts, but yeah, no, I was thinking about getting some. Wow. Oh, they have them all here. Okay, I gotta find it then. Yes, this is what I was looking for. Lug nuts. Yeah, so I'm looking for lug nuts, which these are really heavy though. Maybe I should just get those shipped. I just don't want to like take up all my weight, you know. Mm-hmm. I was thinking about getting these smoked corners. Kind of a cool thing.
So these fit
Yep.
jeans too?
This is an S15 part. See? Let's get it running. Wow. Nismo things. There's S15. There's S15.
Oh wait, were you even recording that?
I don't even know.
I don't think you were recording the skyline HUD. You're just overwhelmed.
So we went to Omori Factory. It was insane. Overstimulating.
Yeah.
There was an R33, a beautiful R33 that just pulled in the parking lot.
I don't think he recorded it because he ended up recording his own reaction to it.
Record it. Yeah, and you know, other dudes were nerding out over it too. And then I'm driving past the exit, and there's a fucking S15 there with a spec car body kit and everything that's I want on my car, like basically.
Oh, why didn't we pull over?
And no, it's fine, and it was just cool to see. So I got some parts, I got some trinkets, some NISMO crap, and then I also got the one thing that I wanted. I kind of wanted to like get some parts to try and avoid like shipping from Japan, which I was thinking about getting like motor mounts, but then what I ended up doing, thank you to Stefan for letting me know that this would probably be the play, was getting the differential bushing kit. I just wanted to get it while I was here. I can take it out of the box and I can put the bushings in my bag pretty easily, and I can avoid shipping on those things now, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, had a good time. Thank you to my wife for
me.
Being for being my partner in crime on this adventure. Both adventures, not only the 8-pit one, but the NISMO factory. And
if you're driving there, just note that the exit is not the entrance.
Oh my god,
anyway.
We got turned around. We tried to go into the exit, and the security guard was like,
there it
no,
is,
no, no.
Right? Is that it? No, that's just a parking lot.
It's easy to get in there, but you can miss it so easily. I'm pretty sure Google Maps led us astray.
Right.
So yeah, definitely look up the way to get there. The entrance is right off of the highway. Anyways, that's it for now. We're on to the Fuji Speedway. 2-hour drive. Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
We are literally driving right past Daikoko or whatever.
Yeah.
It's right down there, and there's cars down there and everything. It's like, on our trip, I was like, I'm not gonna go. It's so far away. It's literally down the street from the NISMO factory. So if you go to the Omori factory, just go visit Daikoko. Oh yeah, that's the skyline.
Just Japan things.
Yeah.
I know. Okay.
Dropping here.
In 600 meters, keep left to continue toward K7.
So funny thing, I was driving and I didn't even notice that mountains were next to us until Sarah said something to me again. I was just so
You're fried.
locked into the road. I just wasn't even paying attention. I looked right and I was, oh shit, there's mountains there.
I told him when I saw them like an hour ago.
And I just didn't hear you, I guess, apparently. We were locked in. driving in the mountains of Japan
We didn't mean to come here.
in a random village.
Oh,
I don't know.
Atlanta. Oh.
Where are we going? We're just going. We're just going. This is so awesome. Wow, look at this fucking BMW.
Okay, let's merge. Not
Whee!
into the BMW. Thank you.
We are high up.
Oh, yeah.
We are very high up right now. All
Building
greens.
new bridges up there.
So we just got to Fuji Speedway. This is straight up the nicest hotel that I've probably ever stayed in my life. And I've paid way more for hotels than I paid for this place. And this place is gorgeous. Check this out. Oh, hello back there.
Hi.
This is our room, which is, I don't think we booked a corner suite, did we? Okay. Well, everyone's leaving right now. That's to get out. Here is the actual racetrack. My sandals on. They gave us sandals right away. If you like a private shower.
They have a screen.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say. Fuji Speedway. That's so cool. That's on watch screen. And here we are. The race is finished. There's some chatter going on. But we are checked in. Everyone's leaving for the race. We got here late. There must have been an accident where we were driving because we had super big delays. And then probably the footage that we'll play beforehand, we ended up driving through a very small like mountain village, and Sarah was freaking out the whole time. Because it was really tight roads. And I mean, I was like a little worried about it at first, but not really. I mean, definitely more comfortable now after driving for a few days, which is good because I am going to be driving on them in a few days or a couple days from now, doing the fun to drive thing. So, and they're all like toge roads. Apparently, yeah, should be pretty cool. I did rent an NSX and it is wide, so we'll see how that works out. But yeah, this is incredible. I'm just gonna like decompress, unwind, maybe have a cocktail. I don't know. It was quite the journey to get here, and we had a lot of fun today, and now it's time to just chill out.